Hi children, I am Bhateshwar and I am from GATE. Now I am going to introduce a topic called physical theatre. Let us know what is physical theatre. Physical theatre is an activity of performing a story. Yes, stories. We all read stories, but reading is different and performing is different. While reading, only an individual will sit in his personal space and he will read a story. But in physical theatre, the stories which we read, we are going to perform it on a stage in front of many audience on the stage using four main elements. Those are body movements, voice modulation, emotions, and makeup. So by using these main elements, those are body movements, emotions, voice modulation, and makeup, we can do our physical theatre activities. So let us start our activity with body movement. Start the activity by doing small movements first. Rotate your head slowly. Should be very slow. Rotate it for 4 times. Now in reverse direction, same for the 4 times. Look straight, up, down, up, down, up, and down. Now rotate your shoulders forward, backward, forward, and backward. Rotate your wrist, reverse, rotate your waist, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now reverse, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, rotate your knees, reverse direction. Now your foot, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Related to body movements, we have another concept called mime. Before explaining what is mime, I will show you few actions by doing mime, which you can guess very easily. My first action was brushing teeth. Second action was eating food. And third action was flying kite. But if you observe properly, there was no brush, there was no food, and there was no kite. I was not holding anything in my hands, but I was doing the action. This kind of action without using any property objects and doing actions using only with our body movements, gestures, and imagination is called mime. Mime is an art of performing an action using body movements, gestures, and our imaginations. Now I will teach you how to do front walk in mime. For doing front walk, just we have to use our legs, hands, and position should be like this. Our hands should be our waist level, and the right leg should be forward for the starting, and left leg position should be like this. And for the right leg, slightly bend your knee and try to stand on your toe like this. Heel up and toe should touch the floor. So for starting, this is your position. And bring your left leg forward and right leg backward. And reverse, right leg forward, left leg backward. And also this hand movement should be there. Hand movement. Yes. Do it slowly. This should be the posture, like this. Slightly increase the speed. So we did front walk using mime actions. Now we will do side walk in using mime actions. And for doing side walk, we have to show our side view to the audience. And this is our side view. Now, using your leg, I'm starting with my right leg. Right leg only heel should touch the floor. And when you use your left leg, only left leg heel should touch the floor. Now, I'm keeping my right leg forward and right leg heel touching my floor. And opposite to my right leg, I'm keeping my left hand forward and right hand backward. Now slowly pull your right leg and left hand. Now left leg, right hand, right leg, left hand, left leg, right hand, right leg, left hand, left leg, right hand, right leg, left hand, left leg, right hand. And practice it like this only. Now increase the speed. Imagine you're really walking on the street. You can say hi. Say hi. So that was sidewalk using mime actions. Now we can also do mime actions using imaginary objects. For example, we can blow a balloon. Yes, just imagine that you are having balloon inside your pockets. Now, take out a balloon from your pocket. So show the balloon. Okay. Now, stretch the balloon. For example, if this is the size of the balloon, when you are stretching, it should be the same size. It should be the same size. Now, start blowing that balloon. Prepare yourself before blowing the balloon and also use your shoulders to give a movement. See. With the right hand, you can show the size of the balloon. Now, take out a string from your pocket. Now, tie it to the balloon. Now, this is your balloon. Not only balloon, you can do many things using mime actions. You can eat an ice cream, you can write, you can read, you can play with a ball, you can pluck flowers and many things. But the most important thing is imagination. You have to imagine the object properly which you want to use in doing mime action. And your body movements should also be related to that action. That is about mime.